Welcome to Easy Learning. Exercise number 197. The young investor is apt to be nonplussed by the business vocabulary of the stockbroker. Full stop. If he reads the financial articles on the stock and share markets, he will come across such expressions as buying for control, carry over facilities, day-to-day money, money a drug on the market, demoralized markets, professional bear account, professional bull account, and upward movement. Full stop. In the mining market section, he will read of prospectors' rights, concentrating plant, reduction plant, sinking operations, and the report of a year's working will mention dwarfs per ton, yield per ton, and yield percent. Full stop. He probably knows little of director's qualifications, and is liable to be misled into buying low yielding securities. Full stop. Among the various investments, there are consolidated annuities, are consoles, a funded debt of the government, cumulative preference shares, non-cumulative preference shares, first mortgage debentures, second preference shares, and so on. Full stop. He may come across blank transfers and bearer shares, and have to study the subscribed capital, the capital liabilities, the proportion of reserve to liabilities, and the surplus profits of going concerns. Full stop.